my lovely people, welcome back to Lola's recipe, compliment of the season, and happy new year in advance to you all. In today's recipe, I will be showing you how I prepare this delicious vegetable soup. This is Efo Riro, and I will be showing you how I prepare this. It is very simple and easy to follow. If you want to know how to prepare this, please keep watching. The first ingredient I will need here is the proteins. These are beef, tripe, and goat meat. Here I have some onions, Scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, bell pepper, and some chili pepper. Next, I have my spinach here. If you want to prepare the best Efo Riro, this is the type of spinach you should use, not the baby spinach. You can as well use the frozen spinach as well. Here I have some dry catfish, some prawns. I'm using some crayfish, palm oil, locust beans, salt, and seasoning powder. The first thing I'm going to do is to steam the meat. First I will have some salt, then I will have some chicken stock powder. Next I will have ginger, garlic, and some Scotch bonnet. Then I will have my chopped onion and bay leaf. At this stage, I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to cover this and bring it to boil without adding any water. So guys, 10 minutes later, we'll go ahead and add some hot water to the meat on fire. Then I will proceed to the pepper. At this stage, I've washed and cut the pepper into small slices, and I'm going to use my food processor to roughly blend this together. Here I've started by picking the vegetable. This is how I normally pick my vegetable. I love to pick it this way and then wash before I cut them. This will allow me to remove any grass or any unwanted one from this spinach. How do you cut your vegetable? Do you chop them on the chopping board, or do you cut them while holding them in your hand? I only cut my while holding in my hand. Okay guys, I've cut the spinach here. This is how I cut it. Next I will preheat my pot and I will add palm oil. If you don't want to use palm oil for this recipe, you can as well use your cooking oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, any oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I will add the chopped onion and I will stir for about 10 minutes. Next, I will have my locust seasoning. This is locust beans, also known as Iro. If you don't like the smell, if you don't like this locust seasoning, please remove it. But I love it, so that's why I'm using it. Once I fry this for about 4 minutes, I will go ahead and add the blended peppers. For this recipe, you can as well have some fresh tomatoes if you prefer, but I just love my spinach to be prepared with only bell peppers and other peppers, no tomato at all, because you don't want it to be watery. I'm going to bring this to cook for some minutes and I will add my seasonings. This is my chicken stock powder and I will cover this. At this moment, I'm not going to use salt because most of seasoning powder contains salt, so I'm not going to add salt. I've already used salt to steam the meat, and I will be using salt later if needed. Right now I will have some crayfish, some powder crayfish, and catfish. I'm going to stir this together. I will have the stock from the beef and the shaki that I steamed. I'm going to stir this and I will cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. This are fresh pepper, so I need to cook this properly before adding the vegetables and the proteins. About 6 minutes later, I've come back to stir this stew. I don't want it to keep burn, so I will keep stirring this until it is well cooked. Now I will add the proteins and I will stir everything together. If you are new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and remember to activate your notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my upload. And to all my subscribers, both new and old, I say big thank you for all your amazing support. God bless you all. Next, I will have the prawn or shrimps, anyone you prefer to call it. You can as well use the dried prawn or fresh one. This fresh one is really good as well. Now I'm going to allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. Yeah, next, the vegetable that I've cut earlier, I will go ahead and add some hot water. Trust me guys, doing this will not affect the taste of your soup or change the color of the vegetables. Your vegetable will still remain healthy and the nutrients are still there. So I will add the spinach into the the stew. And I'm going to mix everything together or stir them together. I cook this soup once in a while because my husband doesn't like it, so I just cook it once in a while. He prefers egusi with vegetable, why I prefer this, but because he doesn't eat it, so I don't cook this often, just once in a while. But trust me, he likes this particular one because it is loaded with many obstacles. Right guys, this soup is ready. Remember, I pour hot water on the vegetables, so for that reason I won't be cooking this for long. So guys, it is ready. I just added some crayfish powder to add the crayfish aroma to this soup. It is looking so delicious and very fresh. Its leaf is still green. It's not going to change color. Even if it lasts for 2 weeks in your fridge, the green color will still remain there. We've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, please give this video a thumbs up, share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.